What's happening, guys? I hope you hear me. Alright, let's try it out. Alright. Alright. This camera's like right in front of my nose. This camera's like my nose guard. It should be like more towards my mouth, but you know, that's how I could get it. Oh damn, that's really high up. Hi guys, let's hope you hear me. Yeah guys, this is this is really high up, like way above my, like way over my nose, you know. I hope you guys can hear me, but it's just a mix of things, you know. I have a big head, and this is like a small helmet, and it's just not really a good mix. But hopefully, this is how it's supposed to be. I learned this. Shout out to Motor 13 M13 and the FOI on this one. These guys and some other people, they mount their camera like this. And I think it's the best way because it gets you like the point of view of the rider, because like when I close my visor, you guys see what I see. So you guys are now under my visor just like me. Now I was really gonna I really like this jet car. I was gonna really get that, but that's probably my second choice. But it's like, it's nice, but it's like outside the helmet, you know. So I said this is really nice, and it's like the SJ4000 guys is the best camera because it has it's really cheap, number one. Number two, it has this like built-in screen, and it takes like a 32 gigabyte memory card, which I just got right now. guys, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I just got this freaking memory card from Walmart, and yeah, that's it. No, that's good. I just got this memory card from Walmart, and I barely got it because these guys are freaking purse snatching, and I don't know if I'm gonna return it or keep it. What's gonna happen is I'm probably gonna buy the same one online from eBay or Amazon. It's like $15, you know, shipped. And return this one and get, I paid like $17 for this and a quarter, and I think I'm going to return it and get a lot more, so that's probably what I'll do. I think it's a sweet, sweet idea. And this is the kind of stuff I'm talking about, guys. It's freaking so cold right now, and it's at night. I really want you guys, I want everybody, well, I want people to do this because it's really, really enjoyable. There's really nothing more enjoyable for me than, well, maybe not cold, but, you know, long night rides. And, you know, so basically, shit, you guys probably hear the wind noise, don't you? I'm sorry. This is the highway, cold. You guys probably hear the wind noise really bad. Cold, I'm not trying to laugh about it. My eyes are so cold, long night rides, I like them. But not this cold. I like it when there's other motorcyclists on the road, you know, I like it when it's warm. And yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I like the daytime, but I mean, there's something, actually there's something special about having the long night ride experience, even if it's warm, you know. I'm really sorry guys, I don't know if it'll be terrible right now. I'm gonna try to block the, try to lock the, yeah, so, sorry guys, the highway's almost over. I'm gonna try to, lock, well, there's no need to, the rider's basically done. So anyway, this whole setup is just not that good. Fuck. I gotta admit guys, it's getting hard to see out here. Fox gloves aren't that good in cold weather. I'm wearing wrist warmers. These gloves are just, I don't know, man. I just love the design, but it's freaking like so tight and somehow I'm almost there. Freaking fingers are frozen. Yeah, but I'm really enjoying this. This is really nice. It feels awesome to be doing this, you know. It feels really nice to be talking, and you know, it's just such a wonderful experience to be motovlogging, and I hope you guys can hear me, and you know, taking videos and just everything, the point of view, you know, the built-in mic, the built-in screen, you know, everything, just, oh god. Oh my god, my fingers are frozen. It is kind of uncomfortable, but you know, this is the only thing I could do. An HJC helmet, like I said, I don't know, I didn't tell you, but my HJC helmet can't mount it like this. My freaking TMS helmet can't mount it like this. The only thing that could be mounted is this one I'm wearing, the Scorpion. helmet and Stokes large. I might get a 3X large, but definitely not, man. This is so expensive right now. And even when it was on sale, it was expensive. Come on, guys. Come on, here we go. No, I need to sleep on that. Shit. Alright, where's the, oh, you know what? I can just park in the, I don't even know this is gonna work. Fuck. False neutral. Alright. I think I'm gonna take off the helmet. Oh god, I don't want to. I don't think I'm gonna do it. I think I'm just gonna leave it on. Oh man, what do you guys think? Should I leave it on? I should take it off. I mean, it's not like I'm going to a gas station. I'm at school, for God's sake. Let's see. You know what? I'm just gonna do it. Sorry guys for sniffling. It's freaking freezing out here. What am I gonna do? Oh man, I think I'm just gonna. You know what, guys? You know what I'm gonna do, guys? I'm taking you with me. I'm just gonna take off the helmet, but I'm gonna keep you guys on. How about that? You guys want to see my financial aid office? Alright, this is going to be a really long video. But for God's sake, how long did it take for me to get my camera? I'm so glad I have it. Oh my god, the micro SD. Okay. Alright guys, hold on. Let me do something. Keeping you guys on. Hold on, guys. Alright guys, let's go. Pull it in. There's a guy right there. They could open up the door for me. I really, oh man. I guarantee you guys it's locked. I hope it's open. The guy's up there. I mean, if it's downstairs and it's locked, it's locked. Can you guys hear me? Is the, guys, is the window, is that into the mic permanently?